Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Impala actuator. First, you'll need to access the blend door actuator, which is typically located behind the glove box. Once you've found it, disconnect the electrical connector. Then, remove the mounting screws that secure the old actuator. Be gentle as you pull the faulty part out, making sure not to damage surrounding components. Now, let's install the new actuator. Carefully align the new part with the blend door shaft. Push it firmly into its mounting position, ensuring it seats correctly. Next, reinstall the mounting screws to secure the actuator. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector. This ensures the new actuator receives power and can operate properly within your vehicle's system. After installing the new actuator, it's crucial to test your HVAC system. Turn on your car and check all blend door settings to confirm they respond correctly. Make sure air flows as expected from different vents. Once you've verified proper function, reinstall the glove box and any other trim pieces you removed. Double-check for any loose parts or wires. Here are a few final tips for your actuator replacement. Using a small ratchet and socket can make accessing tight spaces much easier. If one actuator has failed, it's often a good idea to consider replacing both, as the other might soon follow. This repair can save you hundreds of dollars compared to a shop. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.